this big scary thing about, oh, the robots are taking up all their work. Yeah, robots have been taking away work for hundreds and hundreds of years, and that's good. We don't have to pick corn anymore.
Have to pay attention.
All right, I'm pleased to have Shaun Dawson from Cognizant join us here in the AI.
Thrilled to be here. I wouldn't want to be anywhere else at this moment or any other moment, frankly.
Well, thank you very much,
I'm
Shaun.
honored to be across from you.
So, Shaun, you are responsible for the Center of Excellence for Intelligent and Robotic Process Automation at Cognizant.
Right. Yeah.
So, the last time we spoke, you used a phrase that has stuck with me, and it is brilliant. You said, related to AI, pontification doesn't sign checks.
Yeah,
So
that's true.
talk to me about what you mean by that.
There's a lot of hype out there about everything. RPA is a good entry vector for AI in the business. It is not feasible for a lot of businesses to go out there and spend $1 million. They don't have $1 million problem that they can apply AI to, right? They have a $100,000 problem that they can apply AI to. What we do is really boil down the business problem to, all right, what can we solve using today's technology, oftentimes a system that can learn over time to replace a portion of what the humans are doing. And at the end of the story, our whole goal is to separate stuff out to where, use computers for what computers are good for and use humans for what humans are good for. And when we get that magic right, it's amazing.
You take a very stepwise approach with your clients.
Yeah,
you're looking to give them an almost immediate return, right, on their investment.
Yeah, it's measured in months or weeks.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
And so, how is that received in the client spaces when you're coming in and you're saying, okay, we're going to put this RPA in place, and how is the workforce receiving those sorts of efficiencies?
They love it. We built a robot to automatically fill in a reporting spreadsheet for some workers who were doing a claims process.
Right.
When we demoed the solution, the worker who had helped us kind of map it out and build it and all that stuff looked at it and just got up and walked out of the room. And so I was sitting there, and there was a developer there that was building the robot, and we just kind of looked there, and we're like, okay. And about 2 minutes later, this guy comes back in, and he's got 8 other people, and he goes, "Show me what you just did. Show these people what you just did." And they exploded. They were so happy because this one thing was taking up 50% of their day.
Incredible.
Right? And our world, we don't really realize that happens. Like, these people are, coming to work and they're working hard and they're beating their heads up against a wall that, if you could make it go away, it's really going to improve their lives.
What you've just described to me is a way that you're demystifying AI for your clients kind of on the fly.
We have to distill it down into very simple, basic principles. At the end of the story, it comes down to what is the cost for the level of quality that I can get out of a process? And if I can vastly improve the quality, vastly decrease the cost, then everybody's happy. By the way, everybody's happy, even the people, because there's more work out there to do than there are humans on the planet to do it. This big scary thing about, oh, the robots are taking up all their work. Yeah, robots have been taking away work for hundreds and hundreds of years, and that's good. We don't have to pick corn anymore.
Right.
Right.
So I really think it gets at the root of some of the problems in the advanced technology space, where there's a lot of big talk, a lot of hype, but it's getting down to doing the work that matters.
Yeah.
So, Shaun,
I will work on that.